Have you ever wondered how you move from one place to another or how animals travel across different terrains? Movement is a fascinating aspect of life, and it happens all around us every day. Whether it's blinking your eyes, walking to school, or watching a bird fly, our bodies and those of animals are constantly in motion. In this video, we'll explore the different ways humans and animals move, what enables these movements, and why there are so many variations. Let's start our journey by observing the simple movements in our own bodies before diving into the animal kingdom. Take a moment to notice your own body. Even when you're sitting still, there are subtle movements happening like blinking or breathing. When you write in your notebook, turn to look at a friend, or stretch your arms, different parts of your body are moving, sometimes even while you remain in the same place. But movement isn't just about staying put, it's also about getting up, walking, running, skipping, or jumping from one place to another. Our bodies are capable of a wide range of motions, both big and small, and each serves a unique purpose in our daily lives. Animals move in many different ways. Some walk, others run, fly, jump, creep, crawl, slither, or swim. Why do animals have such a variety of movements? It all comes down to their body structure and the environments they live in. For example, a snake slithers, a fish swims, and a bird flies. Each movement is perfectly suited to the animal's needs and habitat. As we explore further, we'll see how these differences help animals survive and thrive in their unique world. While animals and humans move from place to place, plants do not. However, plants do show other kinds of movements. For instance, some plants open and close their flowers, or their leaves may move in response to sunlight. These movements are usually slow and not as obvious as those in animals, but they are essential for the plant's survival. This shows that movement is a fundamental characteristic of living things, even if it looks different in plants. Physical exercise is a great way to observe body movements. When you exercise at school, you move your hands and legs in different ways, stretching, bending, rotating, and more. Each exercise involves specific parts of your body and different types of movements. These activities not only keep us fit but also help us understand how our bodies are designed to move in so many ways. Try this: bowl an imaginary ball or rotate your arm at the shoulder. Notice how your arm moves in a circular motion. Now lie down and rotate your leg at the hip, or bend your arm at the elbow and your leg at the knee. Each movement involves different joints and muscles. Some joints allow rotation, others only bending. This variety in movement is what makes our bodies so flexible and capable of performing many tasks. Have you noticed that you can only bend or rotate your body at certain places, like your elbow, shoulder, or neck? These are called joints, where two bones meet. Without joints, movement would be impossible. Joints are essential for flexibility and allow us to perform everyday activities from writing to running. Imagine if your body had no joints, how would you move? Press your fingers gently against your head, arms, or legs. You'll feel something hard beneath the skin. These are your bones. Bones form the rigid framework of your body, giving it shape and support. They are joined together at joints, allowing movement. Without bones, our bodies would lack structure and strength. Each part of your body contains several bones, all working together to help you move. There are different types of joints in our body, each allowing specific types of movement. For example, the ball and socket joint allows movement in all directions, while the hinge joint only allows back and forth motion. Fixed joints, like those in the skull, do not allow movement at all. These specialized joints enable us to perform a wide range of activities, from waving to jumping. Ball and socket joint is a fascinating structure. Imagine a ball fitting into a bowl. This is how your shoulder and hip joints work. The rounded end of one bone fits into the cavity of another, allowing movement in all directions. This joint is what lets you rotate your arms and legs freely, making activities like bowling, swimming, or dancing possible. Pivotal joint is found where your neck joins your head. This joint allows you to bend your head forward and backward and turn it from side to side. Unlike the ball and socket joint, it doesn't allow a full circle rotation but provides enough flexibility for essential head movements. The pivotal joint is crucial for actions like nodding or looking around. Hinge joints, like those in your elbows and knees, work much like the hinges on a door. They allow movement in only one direction, back and forth. This type of joint is perfect for actions like walking, running, or picking up objects. The structure of the hinge joint provides stability and strength for these repetitive movements. Some joints in our body, like those in the skull, are fixed and do not allow any movement. These joints are essential for protecting delicate organs such as the brain. While you can move your lower jaw, your upper jaw is fixed to the skull, providing a stable structure for chewing and speaking. Human skeleton is a complex framework made up of bones and cartilage. At birth, we have about 305 bones, but as we grow, some bones fuse, leaving us with 206 bones as adults. The skeleton gives our body its shape, supports movement, and protects vital organs. X-ray images help us see the shapes and positions of bones inside our bodies. Our hand is made up of many small bones, making it flexible and capable of intricate movements. The wrist contains several small bones called carpals, which allow you to bend and twist your hand. If your wrist had only one bone, it would be much less flexible. The structure of the hand is a marvel of nature, enabling us to write, draw, and perform countless tasks. The rib cage is a protective structure made of 12 pairs of ribs on each side, joined to the chest bone and backbone. It forms a box that protects important organs like the heart and lungs. The ribs are curved and flexible, allowing you to breathe deeply and move your upper body. Your backbone, or spine, is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. It runs from your neck down to your lower back and provides support for your entire body. The backbone is flexible, allowing you to bend and twist. It also protects the spinal cord, a vital part of your nervous system. The shoulder bones are prominent and help support the arms, while the pelvic bones form the structure you sit on. The pelvis encloses the area below your stomach and provides support for your body's weight when sitting or standing. These bones are crucial for movement and stability. The skull is made up of many bones joined together, forming a strong protective case for the brain. Most of the skull bones are fixed, except for the lower jaw, which allows you to chew and speak. The skull's design ensures that your brain is well protected from injury. Not all parts of the skeleton are hard. Cartilage is a flexible, bendable tissue found in places like your ear and joints. It provides cushioning and support, making movements smoother and preventing bones from rubbing against each other. Cartilage is essential for comfortable and efficient movement. Muscles are responsible for moving bones. When you bend your arm, you can feel the muscle in your upper arm contract and bulge. Muscles work in pairs. When one contracts, the other relaxes. This coordinated action pulls bones in different directions, allowing smooth and controlled movement. Without muscles, bones alone could not move. Earthworms move by extending and contracting their bodies. Their bodies are made up of many rings joined end to end. They use muscles to stretch forward, anchor the front part, and then pull the rear end forward. Tiny bristles on their underside help them grip the ground. This unique movement allows earthworms to burrow through soil, making it more fertile for plants. Snail carries a shell on its back, which is its outer skeleton. The shell doesn't help in movement. Instead, the snail moves using a muscular foot. This foot produces a wavy motion, allowing the snail to glide slowly over surfaces. The movement is much slower compared to earthworms, but it's perfectly suited for the snail's lifestyle. Cockroaches are versatile movers. They can walk, climb, and even fly. Their bodies are covered with a hard outer skeleton made of plates. They have 3 pairs of legs for walking and 2 pairs of wings for flying. Muscles attached to their legs and wings enable these movements, making cockroaches quick and adaptable. Birds are built for flight. Their bones are hollow and light, making it easier to soar through the air. The forelimbs are modified as wings, and strong shoulder and breast bones anchor powerful flight muscles. Birds can also walk and perch, and some species like ducks can swim. Their unique skeletons make all these movements possible. Fish have streamlined bodies, allowing them to move easily through water. Their skeletons are covered with strong muscles. By curving their bodies from side to side and using their fins, fish create jerks that push them forward. The tail fin is especially important for propulsion, while other fins help with balance and direction. Snakes move by slithering, using their long backbones and many thin muscles. Their bodies form loops, and each loop pushes against the ground, propelling the snake forward. This unique movement allows snakes to move quickly and efficiently, even though they don't have legs. Different animals have different body parts and structures which determine how they move. For example, humans walk on 2 legs while cows and buffaloes use 4. Birds fly with wings and snakes slither with their flexible bodies. These differences are adaptations that help each animal survive in its environment. Yoga is an ancient practice that helps keep our bodies healthy and flexible. It strengthens bones, muscles, and joints and improves posture. Practicing yoga regularly can relieve joint pain, keep the heart healthy, and make all body movements easier. It's a wonderful way to maintain overall well-being. Summary: movement is a vital part of life for both humans and animals. Our bodies are made up of bones, joints, muscles, and cartilage, all working together to enable a wide range of actions. Animals have evolved unique ways to move, suited to their environments. By understanding how movement works, we can appreciate the complexity and beauty of living organisms. Remember, staying active and taking care of your body is key to enjoying all the wonderful movements life has to offer.